Hi guys, back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to create this twitch and blur effects for your video in CapCut. So first, just add the clips that you want to edit and then go to the video effect. Now click on the distortion category, then select the ripple distortion. Okay, make it short, then put it in the beginning of the second clip. Okay, now add another effect. So now click on the nightclub category and then select the twitch effect. Okay, this one. Click on the check icon and put it in between the clips. Okay, in here. And then add the last effect, which is the blur effect. Under the opening and closing, select the vertical blur effect. Okay, this one, click on a check icon and put it the same with the first effect. Okay, now you are done and this will be the result. So that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and also click on the thanks button below. Bye.